incident began around 12:30 a.m. when two New Mexico State police officers overheard radio traffic reporting that Roswell police officers and Chavez County Sheriff's deputies were responding to the home of 29-year-old Dakota Perkins after a woman called Roswell Police Dispatch and reported that Perkins was armed and suicidal.
3 Bartok.
So come on, these units, please raise your air entry.
2 has law enforcement.
Move back to the back, move back to the back.
Move back. Go.
I got eyes on front.
I'm with you.
Hey, Lure, watch that
Move
door,
back.
bro,
Watch the door.
Front door to the front.
340. Comms filled. No subject still barricaded inside with the fire.
Hey, boss, I need you to come out for me. Drop the firearm if you have it. Hey, come out to the front door with your hands up and drop whatever you have, and then we can talk about it. I can't talk about you with it like that. Come.
Good.
340, 39. North side, I shot that. Is that you? Yeah, that's me.
You good?
We're good, officers, 10-4. Who's hit? Come out with your hands up! We're not doing this anymore! I need you to come out!
You see him on that side here?
340, 49, now we're in that door again. Hey, we need to move. Go!
I got you covered.
I don't know if I got him. I saw a gun out the door.
What do you got?
Mel keeps throwing his arm out. I don't know if I hit him.
You got a chance, take it while you got a chance.
Where do you see him?
He's still at the front. He's to the right side of the front door.
10-4.
049, Mel's still shooting. No one has a visual. You see the full auto from the front door at officers.
I got a visual. He's at that front door. He's coming out the side. The left side of that front door. Come out with your hands up.
Move to the left.
Go.
Where's he at?
He's in that right window. Yep. Moving.
Move back. Go.
Yep.
Hey, does anyone have eyes?
No, I don't now from here. I did there.
Yeah. Moving back.
I got you covered.
I got no visual anymore. What do you got? Nothing. Back.
Moving back.
We got you.
Moving back.
Go, I got you. Go.
Back with you all. All right, we're here.
You got it?
There you go. All right.
What do you got? Yeah, I got
Nothing here. I had something up there, but nothing here.
I got a magnified optic.
Okay. From that last position I was at, I had movement on the left side. I got nothing here.
Three 49. Neither myself or 342 are hit. It's two PD officers hit. We're taking the
Shots fired on the left side. Now. Oh,
more shots fired. Unsure of where the Mel's fired from.
It looked like the left side of that house with that column on that second door to the east.
Farthest left door?
Farthest left door.
Hey, party.
Dakota, this is the Roswell Police Department, man. Come out with your hands up. Do it now. End this peacefully, man.
Hey, try to use, say we have his female, his 41 over here. He was asking about her at the beginning.
That's coming out the side of the left, that left far door again. Left far door.
Left far door is where those shots are coming from. Front door.
Front door. I can see the muzzle flash.
I can see it too.
You see, still got eyes?
Muzzle flash out front door. He's shooting out the front door still. I don't know where he's at inside.
He's receded back in that same door. The muzzle flash is about half of a flash, so he's not forward at all.
I think it's a photo. Do we have anybody who needs that one?
Everyone's
Negative.
out. We just got everybody out.
We've seen him.
He's wearing like looked like a Bulls jersey maybe.
Window! Window where the flag's at. He's still there.
I just did.
Jab.
Good.
Back up.
Oh, that hurt my ear, dude.
Mine too, bud. Sorry. I saw him.
Yeah.
You got my
You got
with
eyes?
the other one.
You got
I got eyes. I got eyes.
Everyone check themselves.
Perkins, who was shot in the arm by law enforcement during the exchange, was also transported to a local hospital for treatment of his non-life-threatening injuries. Perkins was charged with 2 counts of attempted murder, 2 counts of felony assault upon a peace officer, 2 counts of aggravated battery upon a peace officer, and 2 counts of child abuse. Additional charges may be filed as investigators continue to review the facts of the case.